Hello everyone, and I hope you all are guys doing great. I am Ikra LinkedIn Wali, head of interview department at Rehan Foundation. As you guys know, I started a series of AI teacher training course where I share an amazing review video and share amazing post interviews and stories with you on daily basis and AI tools with you on daily basis. So today my task is related to computer and the speaker name is Fei-Fei Li. So in this video, Fei-Fei Li explained that computer work good at and computer work good at it calculation, but not to generate images and to capture images, and the computer are not good to see the words and images. So Fei-Fei Li want us to give the access and give the control to computers to recognize the images like humans do. Like when we see images, we capture it, we recognize, and we learn it that how this image is. And we if we see images like for a 2 years or 3 years back, so we remember it and we recognize it today, because images take help us a lot, and images help us a lot because it fix in our mind, so it is too much easy to learn from. So what she do, she creates an ImageNet where she give 15 million images in database to this platform, and now they can create images for us and recognize the images. So why she did this? It is just because that she believes in that if we learn something from image, so it help us. She believe by teaching computers, so the computer help us in healthcare, in teaching, and in any kind of professions, and make us our life easier and better. So this is today TED Talk review video. I hope you like it, and if Fei-Fei Li do it, so we can also do it. I hope you can get lots of benefit from this TEDx, so don't forget to like it.